Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today, man, we have another reaction, no? So, ngayong araw, no? I mean, matagal na panahon na rin, no? Simula nung huling beses na nakinig tayo sa kanya. Today, man, we have Maymay and Trata again, no? Back on our reaction series, no? May bago siyang kanta. Title nun is Paradise. This is official music video. This is a request reaction, no? Salamat sa nag-request, no? Hindi ako updated na meron pala siyang bagong kanta. So, man, I'm here for it, no? Salamat sa nag-request. But yeah, it's been a long time, no? Again, since the last time na pinagawa natin si Maymay and Trata. So, I'm really excited, no? Without further ado, man. Let's go. Let's get it.
Baby, I was staying up late thinking I'm crazy, trying to find the blue sky and you, but maybe all the love that we had isn't worth saving.
Whoa. Ano to? Joke niyo ba to? Or, I mean, music video lang? Kasi that sobrang lapit. I think they guessed. Sobrang, tingnan natin yun.
Baby, I was staying up late thinking I'm crazy, trying to find the blue sky and you, but maybe all the love that we had isn't worth saving. For so long I've been holding on to someone that says deep down I'm broken.
Yung vibe ng kanta, no, hindi, parang sabihin, tunog foreign, no? Parang, like, paano ba sabihin ito? Like Post Malone, yung pop na, nung naging time na pop yung genre ni Post Malone, or like Selena Gomez, no? Ganun yung vibe na binibigyan niya sa akin, or like Charlie Puth, yung mga, alam mo yun, yung parang sa, ano, sa, I mean, kanta niya yung, way, turn me up like a light switch. When you move your body around and around. Ano kanta yun? Light switch ba? Basta yun, parang gano'n, no? Poppy na foreign yung tunog niya. And, I mean, correct me if I'm wrong, pero si Maymay ngayon is, like, international na, no? So, meron na siyang mga fans outside sa Pilipinas, no? Kaya siguro meron siyang ganito, no? Para i-market yung talent niya sa ibang lahi, no?
On someone that's got my heart wide open. I know you thought that I'd forget every tear I cried, forgive you for all my lies. So what does it feel like? Getting ripped out of paradise and all of the
Wait. What? I'm sorry. Ulit natin yung kanta. I mean, this part is like makes sense ngayon. Nag-make sense siya sa akin ngayon, no? Pero yung ibang mga part, like yung tiglalambingan siya ng lalaki, I thought this is going to be like a love song, like a sweet, love song, no? Pero parang di ko masyado kasi na distract sa music video. Pero habang narinig ko yung lyrics, parang nagko-contradict doon sa akala kong meaning ng kanta. Ano ba to? Is this like a sad love song, like palungkot? What the fuck? Sabi niya kasi sa chorus, how it feels like when you get ripped out of paradise. Di ba sabi niya? So we have to listen.
Baby,
Okay.
I was staying up late thinking I'm crazy, trying to find the blue sky and you, but maybe all the love that we had isn't
The snake, no? Hindi yung apple, diba? Ano, deceiving?
worth saving. For so long I've been holding on to someone that says deep down I'm broken, on to someone that's got my heart wide open. I know you thought that I'd forget every tear I cried, forgive you for all my lies. So what does it feel like? Getting ripped out of
Okay. So hindi pala siya sweet like, you know, kilig-kilig na love song, no? Okay. I mean, I didn't expect it yung twist na yan, no? Dahil sa vibe nung beat na sobrang poppy nung dating nung ng beat and ng melody, no? Pero at the same time, malalim and malungkot yung meaning ng kanta. And ano to? I mean, hindi ko masyadong na-gets yung pagbabago nila ng mukha siyang yung music video ng Kalakal yung lugar ng SB19, by the way.
I'm not saying it's easy cause it isn't. Letting go of the life that I envision. Watching all our memories fade into the distance. It's killing me, yeah. Cause I really wanted to believe in the dream of you, but it's never coming true, yeah. Yeah, I know you thought that I'd forget every tear I've cried. Forgive you for all my lies. So what does it feel like? Getting ripped out of paradise, and all of the things you said streaming inside your head when you could love me right. What does it feel like?
Oh shit.
Getting ripped out of paradise. If only you always knew I was the sun to you, we wouldn't have to say goodbye to paradise.
Oh shit, ang iksi lang ng track, no? Alright, well again, that's My Entrata, Paradise, man. Sobrang laki na nung iniba, no? Laki ng in-improve ni My simula nung Ama Kabugera, no? Ayun yung again, pinakaunang kantang napakinggan ko kay My Entrata, and god damn, no? Yung kantang yun is like international, no? Foreign, tunog foreign, no? Hindi mo i-expect na yung makulit and yung kwela na isa sa housemate ni Kuya sa Pinoy Big Brother is magiging ganito, no? Na ganito yung talent na kayang ilabas, no? So yeah, again, napakaganda nung kanta. I mean, hindi ko na-expect na ganun yung magiging meaning nung kanta. At the same time, sobrang catchy nung chorus niya, no? Yung na 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 can be part of bear. Sorry, hindi ko natutuloy. Bakit yung boss ko? But yeah, again, at the same time, I don't know if I get this correct, no? Yung meaning ng kanta is parang ayun na nga, Paradise yung title niya, pero yung pinaka-meaning niya is yung pakaramdam na parang tinanggal ka dun sa paradise na yung iniisip mo na isang paraiso, no? Yung pagmamahalan yung dalawa, na parang it's a toxic relationship, no? Na parang hindi pala kayo mag-work, no? Na parang, alam mo yun, ano siya, napaka-general niya, no? Para sa mga relasyon na like you wish na yun na talaga yun, no? Kasi mahal na mahal mo yung tao or something like that. Pero I mean, yung relasyon nyo is hindi na talaga nag-work, no? Again, maraming pwedeng, ang ganda rin ng symbolism, no, yung sa apple and yung sa snake, no? All in all, full package, magandang kanta, no? I mean, I feel like it's not as powerful as Ama Kabugera. I mean, I know it's hindi naman nila kailangan maging ganun ka-powerful kasi hindi naman yun yung hinihingi ng kanta. Pero, yeah, I mean, all in all, solid track, man. 10 out of 10. My Entrata, no? Salamat sa nag-request, by the way. Hindi malalagpas sa radar ko, no? Kung hindi kayo nag-comment and nag-request. But yeah, that's the reaction for today. Kung saan gustuhan nyo, leave a like and subscribe. Kung gusto mong kasabutin yung artist, man, singer, rapper, song, comment down below. We are going to react to it. And that's it for me today. See you on my next vid. Stay awesome. Peace.